Geary, this is your business, a real success story. How long have you been going and what do you do?
We've been going for about 3 years here now as EP Precision Engineering. We mainly manufacture parts for Lotus marks from 1996 till current day.
And the business is a lot bigger than EP Engineering. I know we're specifically looking at this business today from a machining perspective, but as a whole, what does the company actually pride itself on?
We mainly pride ourselves on in manufacturing bespoke parts that don't exist. We have a design team here that manufacture parts that will make the car go faster, stop quicker, look nicer, that kind of thing.
And we've got some of those parts here. If we could pick maybe one or two of them up. Let's have a look at this one to start with.
Yeah.
What is it and what do you make it on and how long did it take?
Yeah, this took about an hour and a half of machining on the live tooling Herco lathe that we've got. It's an integral part of our 7-speed sequential gearbox, which we designed from scratch about 5 years ago. It's the part that actually rotates the gear change mechanism so that it will go from first through to 7th.
There's a lot of machining in that.
There's a huge amount of machining in it.
And a lot of designing.
A lot of designing, a lot of machining, and a lot of very intricate accuracy required, yeah.
Because of the nature of the parts, I'll come back to you on the accuracy in a minute, you need to try and get weight out of them as well. So have you kind of hollowed this out?
Yes, this is hollowed out, as you can see here. It's completely hollow. We put it through the stress analysis via our CAD, and we've made it a little bit belt and braces, but it's about half the weight that it would be if it was solid.
And what are you achieving accuracy-wise?
Down on this one here, we have to be under 1 thou in most areas on this particular one, especially in the guide railing system. And our Herco machines are getting down to that quite easily.
Of course. And now let's pick up this next one here. I'd be interested to know more about what we're doing.
Yep. This is a product that I designed about 4 years ago. Again, we make this on our 5-axis Herco. It's obviously separated into 2 parts. You can just about see the join there. But we used to get this manufactured by another company, and it was probably about 6 or 7 operations. On our Herco, it's 3 operations each side, rather than 7 operations per side. Again, that keeps the accuracy pinpoint.
And this is on the VMX 42, is it?
That's on the VMX 42 we do this, yeah.
You're machining aluminium there, so how fast are you machining? What sort of speeds?
Although it can go up to about 12,000, we probably keep it around about 10,000 RPM mostly.
And this is why this machine shop's here, isn't it, Geary? Because previously you were subcontracting a lot of this work out. You wanted more control, so you basically put EP Precision out there on the map, didn't you?
Absolutely, yeah. We used to have about 5 different companies manufacturing our parts for us. They're all good companies, but I did find issues sometimes with quality control, whereas it's so much better having the quality control 10 yards away rather than 10, 15 miles away.
We've talked to Ed on a technical level about the machines and what he likes about them. Yeah. What would you say about Herco, Geary?
I think for me, as not being an engineer previously, the reliability has been absolutely superb. The ease of my guys coming in and using them, but I would say that the forte that, as far as I am personally concerned, is the after service that we've actually had from Herco on the machines. Any issues we have had, they've sorted within 24 hours, but we've had very few issues.
A real success story. Thank you very much for your time.
Absolutely, absolutely.